Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to get Clash of Clans on your PC. First, you'll need to choose a reliable Android emulator, such as BlueStacks or LD-Player. Before downloading, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores for smooth operation. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator to download the installer file securely. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the emulator is installed, you'll perform an initial setup, which includes signing in with your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing the Play Store. Remember to adjust the emulator's settings, allocating sufficient resources like RAM and CPU cores to ensure optimal game performance and a seamless experience. With your emulator set up, open the Google Play Store from its home screen. This is just like using a regular Android device. In the search bar, type Clash of Clans and select the official game developed by Supercell. Click the Install button to download and automatically set up the game within your virtual Android environment. The download size is typically around 200 megabytes, so it should be quick. After installation, launch Clash of Clans directly from the emulator's home screen. If you have an existing village, make sure to link your Supercell ID to recover all your game progress and continue building your empire. Finally, take some time to customize both the in-game settings and the emulator's keybinds. This will significantly enhance your gameplay, providing a more comfortable and efficient experience on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.